Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I set up the website, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, I've been working on this anime project for the last little bit, and just realizing how that art style is put together really got me focused on doing something with that tech. There's a really cool line that you do when you're doing anime art on the eyes. It's like a shadow of like the lid on the eye itself, and it's just this little gray line on top of the white that is the eye, and the white is like slightly off white, so that way you could put a pure white on. So you've got like, you know, your basics of like, you've got a bright, a mid-tone, which is very like almost the exact same thing as the forward, like frontmost tone, and then you have your receding black tone in the back. So you have like, you know, essentially a landscape, like, or at least, you know, a forward, middle, and back part of your painting, while all doing it as just one color, essentially just white, white, and white. So I was like, I want to do that. I want to mess with that subtlety, and then I ran out of white paint. So that is essentially what this project ended up being, was that I ran out of white paint way faster than I expected. I was at the art store just the other day. I didn't pick up any paint because I was like, dude, I've got like half a tube left. Like, I don't need any more. You always need more. I guess that's my tip for you today. If you have half a tube of any of your basic colors, like white, black, brown, primary colors, you need more of it. You need more of it. So I guess that's my tip for the day. Mostly just messing around with this art style, seeing what I like about it, seeing if I do like it. And the answer is, it's okay. I don't know if I can push it much in any direction that I would enjoy. It was neat to do something a little bit more graphic design. Reminds me a lot of that series that I did with the teal backgrounds a couple years ago. I think it was a couple years ago at this point, at least a year ago at this point. Either way, I liked that, and just doing something kind of similar was nice. Anyway, I gotta thank the people on patreon.com/RevScarecrow who have given $5 or more. I mean, thank you to everyone at all tiers, obviously, but you know, it's in their Patreon rewards that I explicitly thank them. So, starting with my mom and dad, I love you. Thank you. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Tofoundor. Thank you, Sophia Nope. Thank you, Skelecorgi. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Retrograde. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Mario Priera. Thank you, Kayla Hullinger. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Ash316. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aggiewag. And thank you, Ats! Just a short one for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Just, you know, really enjoying just like sketching a whole bunch. I will try and actually upload those to the Patreon here soon. Sketching a whole bunch and doing art on the computer is a whole lot of fun. I may start doing more arcades on the computer, just because streaming from a digital setup is a lot easier to do. Anyway, I'll see you next time.